right, so today we have the MobileShark 5G wireless guitar transmitter thing, transmitter and receiver. Pretty cool. Thanks for the guys for sending this to me. There'll be a link in the video description below. Basically, it's a guitar wireless system here. Comes in a little box, user manual. Got a cable to charge both receiver and the transmitter at the same time. Very cool indeed. There is a bag here for it as well, for easy transportation. I would just use the box myself. And we have a little user manual here. It's pretty easy to use. As you can see, this is in the Strat style guitar here. It moves around like so. You can adjust the thing here for Strat style. It's kind of cool like that. But let's check a closer look at these. There's 4 different channels on each one. And it's really easy to switch between channels. You just hold that button in, now it's flashing. Go to that channel now. So pretty cool. On the side here, there's the channel selector, there's the on and off switch, there's the rechargeable part. So like I said, this is using the 5G, 5.8 gigahertz frequency, and you get 4 different channels as well. So if you want to do one for your bass, 2 guitars in your band, you got 3, you're good to go. Playing hours, about 8 hours for the battery. So pretty cool. So I'll throw some different pictures up on the screen too, with some different jack inserts to see how that looks and how you can adjust it around. I've been testing it out. The sound quality is, crystal clear. I'm about 14 feet away right now. I'll walk a little further away. Right now, I'm about 20 feet away. Let's go a little further. About 50 feet away at the moment. You can still hear me. Yeah. So overall, it's pretty cool. If you want to check one out, there's a link in the video description below. I know the amp doesn't sound as great when it's recorded with the iPhone mic, so it's kind of hard to tell exactly the quality, but it's really good quality, the crystal clear amp sound. So anyways, check it out. Talk to you soon.